guys, welcome back to my channel. I've missed you guys so much. Thank you so much for your loyalty, for subscribing, for being there, asking questions and making comments under my videos. Even though I haven't produced anything in about a month, maybe two, I'm still getting subscribers, so I really appreciate the support. Thank you so much. But I've been MIA because I've been on TikTok. But I've now decided that TikTok is not really for me. They do censor a lot on TikTok, so not really for me anymore. But there are a few videos that I've been wanting to do for you guys. I'm super excited because I'm going to be unboxing the Tory Burch Miller hoop earrings. I've been eyeing these for so long, but you guys know that I hate paying full price for anything, so I've been waiting for them to go on sale. I finally saw a pair at Nordstrom.com and I put them in my cart and I was like, okay, please go on sale, please go on sale, please go on sale, and they did. So I snagged them real quick and I just want to literally unbox them for you. The box looks like this, of course. I literally have it still in the box that it came in. And when I opened it, I noticed, I think it's actually from the Tory Burch website, because I noticed that the wrapping and everything is different. So I was like, ooh, this is exciting. So I just wanted to share it with you guys. So let's get to it. So it looks like this when I open it. The Tory Burch card and the wrapping. And yes, I have a broken fingernail. Funny how ironic it's on this finger, right? But I still wanted to do the video for you guys. But anyway, Tory Burch Sport, you guys can see that. And on the inside of it is the Nordstrom receipt, of course. And yeah, so just the Nordstrom receipt and their shipping label if I wanted to return these, which I'm sure that I probably won't do that. So there's that. And then there is a cute little card. It came like this, so I'm going to show you what it looks like after I took the card out. So it looks like this. There's a Tory Burch card in there. Ah, it fell. But there's a Tory Burch card. It says, thank you. We hope you found exactly what you were looking for and that you love it. So awesome. Love this. And again, I bought these online at Nordstrom.com, but I really do believe that they were probably shipped from the Tory Burch website directly. So yes, amazing. Now these earrings, I believe, and I'll correct it in the description box or on the screen if I'm wrong, but I believe they retail for like $148, $150-ish. And I got them on sale for $110 and some change. And this is what they're wrapped in. The Tory Burch logo sticker, as you can see. And this is what they look like. This is the pouch that they came in. Now I got the two-tone color. It's like an ivory color and black, and then the gold double T's in the middle. Yeah, so Tory gold, black, and new ivory. Beautiful. Super excited. And oh my gosh, the pouch. It's beautiful. It has the T, double T's. And then it almost looks like blue at first glance, like a royal blue. But I think it might be purple. It kind of reminds me of the Crown Royal bag. If you guys know what I'm talking about. If you know, you know. But that's what it reminds me of. It's super soft, almost like velvety. Oh, it feels so good. Oh. Tory Burch knows how to package some stuff, right? And wow, so this is the first. I've never actually seen earrings come like this. where they're literally individually wrapped. Super cute, love it. And I was wrong, they retail for $158. So it says it right here on the back. I'll get it close for you guys to see. $158. But this is what they look like up close and personal. And I hate to do it because you guys know how I feel about unwrapping my products until I'm actually going to be like wearing them out. But I do want to unwrap them, and I'm going to put them on to like tell you what it feels like and all that. So let me do that and I'll be right on back. So first of all, OMG, you guys, look. Hold on, let me move my hair so you can see. They're freaking gorgeous. They're lightweight. They're a statement piece. Like if I wanted to wear my hair back, and the earrings would be front and center, I kid you not. Like they're absolutely beautiful. I can definitely see why these sell out the way that they do. Let me see if I can put my hand behind it so that you can see what it looks like. So the ivory part's here, and the black part is here, and of course you have the gold double T. And then I'm gonna let you see this side too. Oh my gosh, you guys. They're beautiful. They're super lightweight. I would recommend these 100 times. 100 times 100. I promise you. They're gorgeous. They're versatile. They will go with anything. You can dress them up. You can dress them down. Literally jeans, t-shirt, slacks and dress shirt, suit. Honey, you got it. Like, oh my gosh, they're worth every penny. If I had to do it all over again and pay full price for these, I absolutely would. I promise you. Even though I know that you guys know that I hate paying full price for anything, I absolutely would pay full price for these. And like I said, see if you, my earlobes are naturally droopy because I've gotten so many earrings pulled out of my ear from over the years, but so don't let that deter you. They're not heavy at all. They're lightweight. I can go like this, and it's not like my head is heavy, like at all, like whatsoever. So they sell these at Nordstrom.com, ToryBurch.com. There are some at Neiman Marcus. I don't believe they have this particular style, but they do have a version of these, and they have some that are different colors. There's like blue and ivory, plain blue, blue and gold. There are some that are just gold all the way through. There are some that are silver all the way through. You guys, look at, oh my god, they're so beautiful. I can't wait to wear them. I'm so excited. I'm super juiced that I got to do this video for you all because I've been anxiously waiting to open these and see what they look like, because on the website they're beautiful, but in person they're even more badass. So don't walk, run to whatever website you want to go to and get you a pair. And even if it's not this color, because I believe these are sold out at Nordstrom.com, you can get a different version, and I promise you that you will not be disappointed. You will not be disappointed at all. Yes, love these. If you have any questions, let me know. If you have any comments, put them below. If you have a set of Tory Burch Miller hoop earrings or any of her other earrings and you just want to make a statement or a comment about what you think about your pair, if I'm right, if I'm wrong, definitely make those comments below. Ask me any questions, like, subscribe, and don't forget to turn on your notifications because I am back, my loves. I have been gone for too long, but I promise I'm back. Thank you so much for watching another video. I hope you guys be well and stay safe. Talk to you later.